Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Diksha Ramtekkar. I have already teach you about the efficacy testing of the cosmetic products. For example, here in skincare products and already taught about the coniometer, mexameter and sebiometer. If you didn't watch those videos, find them in the link below. The TEWAmeter is a measuring device for the assessment of the transepidermal water loss. This parameter provides information on the integrity of the skin protective barrier functions. The measurements are performed by the application of a probe to the skin surface for 30 seconds. Upon contact, the water evaporation rate is obtained. High values of transepidermal water loss reflect a damaged skin barrier function. TEWAmeter, with its open chamber principle, is the worldwide most accepted measuring device for the assessment of the transepidermal water loss. This is an indispensable parameter for the evaluation of the water barrier function of the skin and a basic measurement in all kinds of applications. Even the slightest damage in the skin water barrier can be determined at an early stage. A certain evaporation of water from the skin takes always place as part of the normal skin metabolism. However, as soon as the barrier function of the skin is slightly damaged, the water loss will increase, even with smallest changes which is invisible to the human eye. Multiple factors including immune dysregulation, filaggrin mutations, deficiency of antimicrobial peptides, and skin dysbiosis, humid or too dry environment, allergens, irritants and pollutants, too much sun exposure, etc. contribute to skin barrier defects. Therefore, this measurement is a basis for all cosmetic and dermatological research. The diameter probe measures the density gradient of the water evaporation from the skin indirectly by the two pairs of sensors, temperature and relative humidity, inside the hollow cylinder. This is an open chamber measurement. This method is the only access to transepidermal water loss continuously without influencing its microenvironment. Here is the formula on which this instrument works. Now, one of the probe is the probe heater. The sensors of the probe normally have room temperature of around 20 to 20 degrees, 22 degrees Celsius, where skin temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and higher. As the amount of evaporation water measured with the device is extremely small, the sensors inside the probe should reach skin temperature to measure this small amount exactly and stable. With the probe heater, the probe head is constantly warmed up to a temperature close to a skin temperature and thus getting very quickly accurate and stable results. What are the fields of application? Ideal for product development and the claim support, efficacy testing, and multicentric studies. It can be used for the objective clinical assessment in dermatology and occupational medicine. It can be used for monitoring newborns and detecting skin damages. It is used in vitro testing of permeability. It is used in assessing transepidermal water loss and skin surface water loss (SSWL) in a range of research applications. It is very useful in the studies of sweat studies. So this is the transepidermal water loss instrument which is called as TEWAmeter. In the next session, we will see another instrument or another research. Till now, like this video, comment down and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.